Happy Sunday, everybody. This is the open house for today, and we are in the infamous Malibu, California. And I'm going to go through, there's a lot to see here. It's a gated home. It's really a complex. It's kind of a little estate, and has a nice driveway, plenty of parking. So quiet up here. We got a Buddha looking down on us. And there's more gates here. Lots of viewing areas. But the big thing is there's a lot to see. Look at this. Look at this view. Oh my gosh. If we're lucky enough to be a part of this, you know. These are the hills of Malibu. Evidently they are protected, so you won't see development done here, which is terrific. This is a sitting area. Beautiful, beautiful views. I hope the sun doesn't drown them out for you. The house sits on almost an acre. And I want you to see everything. It's got a jacuzzi tub here. Where else could you want to be? I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. And now I'm going to go into the house. The house is over 1,400 square feet. It's a 2-bedroom, beautiful wood floors, and windows everywhere, of course, because there's so much to see. You wouldn't want to block all that out. And French doors everywhere. I'm saving the best for last, so hang on with me. But there's a fireplace. I like the bougainvillea. It's all around the house. It's a kitchen where you would really cook in. It's not I call them pretend kitchens. It's not pretend. You could really cook in this one. Look at the view from the kitchen window. Is that amazing? It's really something, huh? Beautiful. I love those flowers out there. Anyway, this is the kitchen. It's got lots of space too. As you can see, there's more. It's a home you can live in very comfortably. This whole room here is laundry room. It's a nice laundry room. As you can see, there's little closets everywhere. Here's a closet right here. Here's another closet. This is one bath. It's got the claw tub. I'm going to pull back and try to get it's beautiful. Lots of detail. That's one thing I noticed, was lots of detail throughout the home. This is one bedroom. Again, the French windows. It's got the closets. And you can see where this French window looks out to. Really? I mean, it's beautiful. This is interesting. I'm not a garage person, but I know a lot of people are. But look at this garage. I mean, this is a garage that you're comfortable in. It has artwork and antiques and everything. It's very nice. And there's an office set up over there. And I mean, it's a working garage, but that gives you a lot more space if you need it. And we're going to go back down the hallway. This is the master. You have ample closets. That's the best point of view. Okay. And you have windows here. This is one of the views from the windows. And I'm going to speed up here a little bit because I want to get you outside where the beauty really is. And it has one bath here with a shower and a toilet. Okay, now let's get outside. That's what I really want to show you. When I have something really pretty like this, I want you to see every bit of it. Okay, so this is the view from the living room. You see that big blue space over there? That's the ocean. That is the Pacific Ocean in Malibu. And you can see, I'm going to step out of the sun for a minute, see if you can see so much to see. There's a sitting area over there, there's sitting areas there. I mean, just really magnificent. And did you hear that? No, I didn't either. That's because it is so quiet up here. And I'm just going to take you out here just for a minute. Look at this. It's cute. Isn't it cute? Guard dog on duty. Okay, and I'm going to show you. That is the Pacific Ocean, and these are the mountains of Malibu. And I hope you're all having a great 4th of July weekend. And if you want to see this property, my phone number is area code 818-427-0151. And I can tell you all the other details, the price, and anything you want to know. And I'd love to have you come take a look. Quite a compound, huh? All right, guys, enjoy your weekend.